Yun ginagamit na yung nilinis ni Tatay Oni linis Ayos very good very very good Tay. Ano, okay yung nalinis mo na? No? Very good. Sige, relax ka lang dyan
Ang nawala nga iba ko.
Oo nga, tama. Ngayon, tatapusin yung iba pa. Eto. At the same time, i-remove natin itong cover. Then, makikita, ayan just using the paintbrush to remove the dust. Yan, heavy dust. Ayan. Stick on the electric fan motor side. Part of the motor. Yan isipin, imagine. Ang dami alikabok na yan, hindi masisira yung electric fan, pati yung mga bushing, siguradong magkakaroon ng dumi. So, magiging cause para mag-stack up siya. Doon nagsisimulang nakakayod ang bushing hanggang sa bumigay ang shafting. Kasi kaya bibigay yung shafting ay mauuka dun sa ng shafting yung kanyang bushing habang umiikot. So yung kasi ang rotating parts ng electric fan from motor winding, then meron siyang pinaka rotor, and then dun kung saan doon ay assembly with shafting para sa fan blade. And then habang umiikot yan, siyempre anumang magiging sasama sa pag-ikot sa shafting at saka bushing, lalo na yung alikabok na yan. So doon nangyayari na natutuyo, nawawala yung lubrication ng kanyang mechanical moving parts or rotating parts na kailangan talagang ano siya, lubricated with motor oil. Ano po, marami namang mga gamit na yung motor oil, marami. Basta motor oil, huwag yung baby oil hindi pwede yun. Kailangan ang ginagamit na langis ang motor, hindi pwedeng hindi siya non-conductor. Kailangan non-conductor oil, especially yung ginagamit sa compressor ng mga aircon, ref. Yun ang pinakadabis na ginagamit na langis, kapela oil, which is non-conductor oil, or what we call the motor oil. Hindi basta-basta lagay ng langis, kasi dito sa rotating parts from rotor, shafting, then ayun yung pinaka-winding niya yan ayun sa loob yung winding niya, yan ito yung winding, yan winding, running and starting coil. Then kung saan doon ay may call para sa low, medium, high speed. So yan ang winding na tinatawag, naka-rewind. And then this is the capacitor. This capacitor, ito yung pinaka ng receiver ng from power current to maintain the normal current working of the motor, which is the running and starting winding. So hindi pwedeng mag-combine yung dalawa na yon ng direkta. It should be controlled by the capacitor, or sometimes there is a starting relay para ma-disconnect yung starting winding. Kasi ang talagang winding na tinatawag na main winding is the running. Yun ang talagang umihikot in the long run, or yun na continuous sa function ng isang motor, yung running winding. At yung starting, kaya nga tinawag na starting lang yon. Starting torque, to raise the starting torques of the motor, which is the lock rotor amperes, para umikot siyang bigla. Yun. Ayan yung, ayan, umiikot yung rotor niya. Yun yung rotor. Kung saan, pag iniikot mo itong shafting, iikot siya. So, pag nagkaroon ng magnetic field dito sa winding, then iikot yung motor. And controlled by the capacitor. Kaya pag nadamage yung capacitor, nangyayari nun, nagkakaroon siya ng high ampere hanggang sa masunog yung motor. Kasi ito yung pinaka nag-regulate ng current na pumapasok dito sa motor. So, between the starting winding and running winding, it should be maintained that during the working period, the running winding will work continuously, not the starting winding. So within split seconds, 1 to 3 seconds, sunog ang motor pagka yung starting winding ang nag-connect. So this is a very important control device, pan capacitor. Yan. Pag lumobo yan, sira na yan. Kaya kita nyo minsan, hindi umana, nagtataka kayo yung demanda, sira pala yung capacitor. Sometimes, just to replace the capacitor, but sometimes, the winding is already damaged. Or, there is what we call the ceramic fuse inside. Naka bind together with the winding thread. Yan, nandun yung pinaka parang ceramic, small piece of ceramic fuse na pagka yun ay nabusted, pumutok, madidisconnect yung connection ng speed to the running and starting. So, patay siya. Pagka yun ay binalitan mo, magpapunction ulit. But, if the problem is the winding is already damaged and it's already burned, so no, it needs to replace or to rewind again. Ganun ang motor. So, this is what we call the capacitor run motor of the electric pan only. So, kaya may tinatawag na motor rewinding. I-rewind yan pag nasunog. Or sometimes you just can buy in the motor store na talagang rewinded na. Depend on the motor size. Ayan nakalagay naman dyan. Yan ang pinaka description ng motor. Ayan. Bili ka din yung size ng core, motor core to. Ito yung tawag na stator. Tawag yan stator. Then, parts of the mechanical. Diyan siya naka-insert ang winding or magnetic wire or magnetic core. Okay, that's for today about proper cleaning of the electric fan to maintain good condition of the electric fan and to avoid damaging the electric fan by causing to malfunction. All right, that's for today.